I'm Margaret from Sewing Machine Warehouse in Australia, and today I'm going to show you how to thread your machine. Alright, so always buy yourself good quality thread, that way you're ensured of good results. Alright, take your thread and establish which way there is the right way up. Okay, when you've established that, you'll know which is your bottom end, and the bottom end always goes to the bottom end of the spool holder. Okay, take your thread cap, pop it onto your thread, and hold the thread between your hands like you're going to floss your teeth. Alright, through your first thread guide, take it down. Now some of these machines actually have printed on them the threading guide, so you'll follow the numbers, but you can actually do this without all that. Take it up, down, up, and back down again, and there's usually a thread guide above the needle, so take your thread between your hands again and just thread that top one. That stops it from flapping around. Now, another thing to remember when you're threading this part of your machine, always have your presser foot in the up position. Okay, that way you know that your tension unit is open. At this point you can put the foot down, okay, and if you have a needle threader, this is how you operate it. So you hold your thread in your right hand and using your left hand come down, press down all the way, take your thread across the front of the needle, and it will actually catch in a little hook and you'll feel it pull back. Now remember, always operate the needle threader and keep your finger on it. Don't let it go. And then pull that little loop at the back and your machine is now threaded at the top. At this point, put your presser foot up ready. Take your thread through and pass it to the back between the front of your foot. Okay, so just off to the side and to the back. Then take off your accessory tray, and this particular machine has a bobbin case at the front. Okay, you will have to pull that out. Now take your wound bobbin and establish which way it's going around. It should be going in a clockwise direction. Alright, take your bobbin case and with that little spindle at the top or finger, hold that at 12 o'clock, pop your bobbin into the case, and there's a little slot there on the side. Take your thread underneath the spring and you should hear a little click like that. Okay, put a little tail on it. Now with that finger at the top again, pop that into your bobbin case area and push. You'll hear a loud click. Now holding onto that thread from the top, turn your hand wheel once, and when your take up lever is at the top, you should be able to pull the bobbin thread up quite easily. There you go. And take both those threads through to the back. Close the door and put your accessory tray back on. You're ready to sew.